Hi, I'm Amanda Tyler, Executive Director of Baptist Joint Committee, and it's Monday, October 3rd, or in Washington here, better known as First Monday, because every year on the first Monday of October, the United States Supreme Court begins its term. And our BJC offices are just about a block from the Supreme Court. So I wanted to come out here this morning and see what was going on. There is a lot more activity at the court than we have seen in some time, because for the first time since the COVID-19 pandemic, the court is actually going to have people in the courtroom other than the litigants. I am really pleased, though, that they are going to continue the practice that they started during the pandemic of having live stream audio of the arguments. So you don't have to be one of the few people who actually gets to be in the courtroom to listen live to the arguments. This is also a historic day because for the first time ever, there is a black woman who's sitting on the court. Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson will hear oral arguments for the first time today. It's also the first time that there are 4 women who sit on the U.S. Supreme Court. So it is a historic term for many reasons. Of course, much has been written and talked about last term, which was so consequential with a number of really important Supreme Court decisions. And Supreme Court commentators are saying that this term could be just as, if not more, consequential. So we at BJC will be watching this carefully. I'm also excited to announce that this Thursday, Holly Holman and I will launch season 4 of our podcast, Respecting Religion. And we're doing it with a live launch on Facebook Live. So please RSVP and join us this Thursday at 10:30 a.m. Eastern for a live broadcast of Respecting Religion. We will talk about our takeaways from last term and what we're watching for in this term ahead, including any religion cases that we're watching, religious liberty cases. So there's one case that the court has taken on free speech grounds, the 303 Creative case, but we are watching that for any religious liberty implications, and of course watching all term long for other cases that the court might be taking. So just wanted to give you this quick update from right outside the U.S. Supreme Court. I'm going to go back to our offices now where BJC's board meeting is about to start. That's the other thing that we do on First Monday here in Washington. Thanks for joining me, and tune in on Thursday to Respecting Religion.